Hi, my name is Alan McKeown. I'm an art and graphic design teacher at Ncbis, and this is my third year in Egypt. I was very happily surprised to find out that Simplex CNC actually exists here in Egypt, and I was very excited to have the opportunity to have Simplex installed into our school. And for me, I found the training that Simplex provided to be invaluable to my job, to my teaching, and to my career. I have found that the students have been able to create projects that would normally last a month in under a week, and I have found for myself as well, it's really improved my salary and my experience of the school and of teaching, and I have found it to be an absolutely invaluable experience. So I would absolutely recommend to any young people or anyone who's interested in taking the training to take the training with Simplex, because it will make your life much easier and give you many more opportunities in the future.